Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you that how can you check your Wi-Fi password in your Windows PC. Now notice one thing, when I'm saying check your Wi-Fi password, that means a Wi-Fi password that is connected to a Wi-Fi or that is related to a Wi-Fi which you are currently using, which you are connected to. It won't get you the Wi-Fi passwords of the Wi-Fi's that your computers can catch. For example, right now if I open my networks tab, then there are some of the Wi-Fi's that there are a lot of Wi-Fi's that my computer can catch, like hidden network, this, there are lots of Wi-Fi's, but I'm connected to this particular Wi-Fi. So if I want to know the password of this particular Wi-Fi, then I can know this particular password only using this option. Okay, so why this information is needed, why this particular video is needed? Actually, suppose there is a case wherein you want to use your Wi-Fi to connect to a new device, then you can use this option to know your existing Wi-Fi password and you can connect it your new device using this particular option. Or if you want to change your Wi-Fi password, then you can use this particular password to change your existing Wi-Fi password. Okay, so this is a completely safe option. You are not unethically trying to get into someone else's Wi-Fi, but you're just changing the password of your own Wi-Fi. So let us just start with the video. All you need to do is press Windows R from your keyboard, then this run menu appears, and here you need to type in ncpa.cpl, all in smalls, ncpa.cpl. Once you have typed in, click on OK. This will open up the network connections tab. Now here you need to make sure that, suppose you want to know your Wi-Fi password, so you need to click on Wi-Fi, and only if in case your computer is showing more than one Wi-Fi, in my case it is just showing one Wi-Fi, but in your case if it is showing more than one, then make sure that you only click to those Wi-Fi in which there are these green bars or which you have currently connected to. So how do you know your Wi-Fi which with you are currently connected? Just go to the networks tab over here. Make sure this Wi-Fi name and this Wi-Fi name is the same, and this shows connected and secured. So whichever Wi-Fi is showing you connected, secured, make sure it is having the same name over here. So just go to this particular Wi-Fi, right click over here, make sure the status, which is in bold colors, bold letters, is actually clickable for you. Now in case your status is not highlighted, or if it is not if it is something that you are not able to click, then what you need to do is you need to click on this connect disconnect tab. So if your Wi-Fi is already connected, it will disconnect it. If it is disconnected by any chance, then it will reconnect it. Then once you have done it, just right click, refresh, again go there and then click on status, then it should be clickable. If again this is the same issue, then what you need to do is go to the networks tab over here. Here disconnect your Wi-Fi and connect it again. Then again refresh this or close and open this window, and then again click on status, and that should work for you. Let us just click on status. Here you will get some properties like the duration, the speed of the Wi-Fi, the signal quality, everything, the activity, your SSID, media state, etc. So just go to wireless properties. Here in the wireless properties, there is a connection tab which gives you the name of the Wi-Fi, its SSID, etc. Then you go to the security. Then here is a network security key tab. If you click on this show characters, that only requires the admin permission. So if you are an admin, you can click on show characters and it will reveal your Wi-Fi password. So this is how you can get to know your Wi-Fi password, but only for the Wi-Fi you are currently connected to, so it is completely ethical. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.